What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on British pound US dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP USD on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP USD. Looking at monthly perspective. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that GBPUSD after the previous monthly this long bullish candle, this month the price reached a very important monthly level of resistance. This is the half week of the monthly exactly, and from that zone we see that GBPUSD had a bounce. Now as you can see, as the price has a bounce from this monthly resistance, we can expect this price to come back down again to test some part of this zone. As you can see, there is a long week candle on the monthly previous months, and we could potentially see a retest of this long week candle around 50%. We can expect the price to come and test this zone. That means that this month we can expect some initial movement to the downside on GBP USD. Looking at weekly time frame, what we see that from the weekly perspective, after the previous week's dodgy, GBP USD has a now strong rejection. Now with that rejection, what we can expect this price to come back down to test this weekly 20 EMA, or even to the zone where there is a long week dodgy at least 50% of this zone, or even break this low to test this level. That means that GBP on the weekly as well, we can find significant bearish trading opportunity. Looking at daily time frame to see how the price action is formed, we see that British pound US dollar on the daily time frame has created a head and shoulder here. It is the, as you can see, the price has created typical head and shoulder, and yesterday we have seen a breakdown from this head and shoulder with this long daily bearish engulfer. Now with that head and shoulder, you can see the price basically could not break this daily resistance. In fact, the price consolidated, created a head and shoulder, is a sign that GBPUSD is reversing from here for a deeper retracement. With that deeper retracement, we can expect now GBPUSD come back to at least to test this weekly and monthly support zone. So with that in mind, on the daily as well, we can find now significant bearish opportunity on GBPUSD. So monthly, weekly, and daily giving us a potential bearish setup. So then where we can find suitable entry opportunity as NFP coming today, as you know that we could potentially find some suitable entry opportunity, especially in this daily 20 MA, which is the important area of value, and also below this green level, which is the neckline of this head and shoulder. As you can see, when you see a head and shoulder, we can expect the price to go ahead and test this support here as a resistance. Along with this 20 MA, we can find suitable entry opportunity. So if you look at the 4-hour perspective to see how the price action is formed, what do you see that there is a massive drop, as you can see during the news announcement yesterday. After grabbing liquidity from this top, this drop happened. Now if we closely look at, we see that there is a trend line here in this zone. If we draw this trend line to see where we can expect again GBPUSD to go ahead and test this, and at the same time if we take our Fibonacci for this move to the downside on GBPUSD, what we see that basically this is where the 38.2% Fibonacci is aligning with exactly the previous support, turning resistance here along with this support, which is the neckline of daily head and shoulder pattern. So what we are expecting GBPUSD to go ahead and test this zone, this important area of value, as a resistance, and then to give us a suitable entry opportunity. So along this zone, as soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll consider going short on GBPUSD with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPUSD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.